this is how you clean them, look how we call it there.
Bashy.
Bashy, you don't know. Outside in the bush. We're doing it wet. But we just start, okay? Yeah.
Just scrape out the eye Calabash, you know? Yeah, that one, yeah. So look like a big soup bowl. Yeah, well, shut a bit off look for one feed. Look for next one. Yeah, people, eye Calabash. You know, processing. Yeah, man. So me say give praises unto the Almighty Jah, Rastafari, King Selassie. Yeah, man. And I mean, so every day we have to remember to give Jah thanks and praise, you know. Yeah, man, His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie, Jah Rastafari, conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, Jah Rastafari. And you see people got me Calabash them here and thing. You know, me bashy them Calabash. You know? For eat, you know. Yeah, and me now done fix up some of them, me now done cut some of them. See them one day. Yeah, them one day no make. But this one here I make this couple of days now, and you know what I mean? See pan it now. I write up your word soup. I don't know if you could see that. Soup, people. S-O-U-P. With some fire emoji. Hot soup. You know? Yeah, man. Ital soup. You know what I mean? Yeah, people, and this, I still have to make some more. You know? I want to make some one thing. That is not enough. Looking like enough, you know what I mean? Yeah, and I got a. And I'm going to make some different utensils as well with the Calabash. And I want some plates and you know, some different kind of design and things, some different thing, you know. Yeah, see this one here? It's a nice little bowl and thing. You guys could use to dip up your water if you drink some juice or some tea or anything, people, you guys. Yeah, so we want to do now, I want to go on and I mean I just have to go on and put some then put some design and thing on them. And up on the green one on them. I mean, you know how them dry when it go come down. Yeah, but now my me and daughter, you know, I was in the garden doing some work and thing. Yeah, people, so I just want to go on and put some design on them. I see that design here. It's a wicked bumbo cloth design, a wicked man design. Yeah, man. Soup. S-O-U-P. Some fire emoji. Not finished yet, people, you know. Yeah, it ain't quite finished yet. Soup, man, blazing hot. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, yeah, breadfruit here. You know? Yeah, and I done put on the roof and thing for the kitchen. That it ain't quite finished yet. You know? Still got some work for do and thing. You know? Yeah, people start coming on a little bit with the works and thing now. You know what I mean? You know? Yeah. So my place now, as a youth now, we really try get fully into the Rasta livity, you know what I mean? Yeah, upon this trad when me decide say, yeah, you know, I take on this trad. My place now is a place now where my brethren them, you know what I mean, could come and put forward and, you know what I mean, we have a irie time, you know. Anyone of my friend them, any brethren, anybody who watch, who does watch my video and thing, from anywhere there and you want to come, you guys, to have an experience, you know, you want to come in the bush and you guys just have to live some ital life, some natural way of life and just have to rock back and think. That way my place one of that, why me I try, you know, yeah. Expand on this now, that way I try to build up these vibes now. And a place where you could just come and hold a vibes, you know, rock back, you know, just unwind, you know what I mean, smoke some herbs, you know what I mean, more while drink some local wine, you know, like some mango wine, fruit wine, banana wine, any kind of wine, people, you know. So I go in the river, go have a big the river the right there. You know what I mean? Yeah, people, but I just set up a place and thing, and you was hopefully soon time. You know? Yeah, people, you go see what I go on. You know what I mean? I just put in the works and thing now. You was? Yeah. As a Rastafari, you know what I mean? See last year, man, you was? Yeah, people. You know? Hopefully soon time I get some paint and thing. We go and paint up the place. You know what I mean? Something vibrant colours and thing. I mean, people. Yeah, but we just go and do and thing now, you guys. Yeah, work with where we are in the meanwhile and thing now. Yeah, people. Yeah, so this, I just want to make this video here to show the Calabash and them. You guys, the ital Bashy them and thing. Yeah, people, so, you know what I mean? Say, Jah love, protect us.